1 out of every 7 drivers is currently uninsured, which results in costs not covered under our normal insurance policies. So in this week's Know the Law segment, attorney Tom Sinas talking about the coverage that'll make sure you are fully compensated.
Two very striking statistics.
Okay.
The one you just mentioned, 1 out of every 7 drivers in the U.S.
Yeah.
No car insurance.
Sheesh.
Get this, in 2017 there were 34,565 hit-and-run accidents just in the state of Michigan.
Oh, wow.
All right, so what do these two statistics tell us? That you need, in order to protect your family, you need to purchase what's called uninsured motorist coverage.
There you go.
This is a strange name, uninsured motorist coverage. Most people, I think, if they don't know what it is, they think, well, why do I need to buy uninsured motorist coverage?
Right.
I have insurance.
Right.
So what is the point of this?
Right.
Here's what it is. It's insurance that you buy to protect you and your family from bad drivers who don't have insurance. So to get back to our two statistics, the 1 out of every 7 drivers that don't have insurance,
Right.
by buying uninsured motorist coverage, you're protecting yourself against them. For the almost 35,000 hit and runs in Michigan,
And the person's never caught, you
That's
can't
right.
claim on theirs also.
right, and that's a really important point, Derek. People don't realize a hit and run accident becomes an uninsured motorist
Exactly.
case. Not because you know sometimes for a fact that the driver didn't have insurance,
Right.
but you don't know who the driver is.
Exactly.
So those two things together mean everybody should buy uninsured motorist coverage. But the problem is that it isn't a mandatory type of coverage. To be a legal driver in the state of Michigan, you have to have no-fault coverage and liability coverage to protect against other people that you may accidentally harm. You don't have to buy uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, but it is so critically important that you do because of these statistics. And here's the thing about it, it's amazingly cheap. We've talked about this over the years, and I looked at my policy. I have
Right.
as much as my insurance agent will sell me. I think I spend maybe $20 a year
Wow.
for this kind of coverage.
Wow.
Why do you need it to protect yourself? All right, we have a no-fault system that will take care of your medical expenses, but no-fault only takes care of your first 3 years of lost wages. So what if, heaven forbid, I'm leaving the studio today and I get in a terrible accident by an uninsured driver and I can't practice law again? Well, the first 3 years of my lost wages I can get through my no-fault insurer, but the rest of my lost wages,
Yeah.
I've got to get those from the other driver. But if that other driver doesn't have insurance coverage,
Sure.
there's nothing for me to get. That's why I buy uninsured motorist coverage, and everybody listening, I hope, will do the same.
Covers you well.
If, heaven forbid, you're involved in an accident involving an uninsured driver, make sure you look at your policy, make sure you get your questions answered, because there can be some tricks in making sure you perfect that claim.
People have more questions for you. Where do they find you?
They can find us online at www.sinusdramus.com. We've got some good posts up there about uninsured motorist coverage. In West Michigan, give us a call, 616-301-3333, or shoot us an email at info@sinusdramus.com.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks, Derek.